Welcome to MRC Center, and my name is Marco Rossi. This video is focusing on the information session. It's a free MRC information session that we conduct every week so that we can give information to our people that they want to know in detail what we do, how we do it, and how they can approach it. And this information I'm going to give you now is a very brief introduction information for MRC information session and lunch. And for details, you could go to mrcrsvp.com, which I put it on the screen, and then you will be able to go through the connections and the link we have to Eventbrite and register your attendance. And what it is and how we do it. First of all, let me give you a little bit of introduction about MRC Center and MRC businesses. I'm a public accountant under the name we trade called Marco Rossi & Co. We are based in Gold Coast, but we do business national level. We have other introduction videos if you like to go and see it, under the accountants, advisory, workshops, and all the links are on mrccenter.com.au. So what we'd like to do today, and I want to explain it to you, is what is this weekly information session and what's included in it and why you have to attend, how important it is, and it's free of charge, so it doesn't cost you anything, and you'll have a free lunch as well. Now, first of all, it's weekly, and the dates that you can register and attend, it's on Eventbrite. So we have 4 weeks in advance booking, so that if you can't attend in 1 week, you can go to the next one and the following. And some of them might be filled up quickly, so you can go to the following one. We have 2 sessions on that day. One is the morning session, and the other one is the afternoon session. The morning session starts at 9:30 for registration, and afternoon session starts 1 p.m. for registration. The lunch is done for morning and the afternoon session between 1 and 2 p.m. So the people that are finishing for morning session will have lunch, and the people that are starting for afternoon session, they'll have lunch. So the session between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. is lunch for morning and afternoon session. The first session of the program will start at 10 a.m. in the afternoon, 2 p.m. And that 1 hour session is to do with business startup. I want you to be very specific about this. You will have a Q&A session. It's a workshop. I'm going to talk about, if you want to know in detail what's involved in this session, go to under the workshops, MRC workshops link, go to Genesis workshop, and it explains to you what's involved in business startup or business session. And the majority of the time will be spent on effective business planning, which is so important for any business, whether you are already in business or you're going to start a business. Without business plan is like navigating blindly. You don't know where to go, when to go, and you have absolutely no GPS to navigate your business. And we will teach you during this session how an effective business plan is written. Most of the people, they have the perception that the business plan is budgeting. Budgeting is only 20% of business planning. There are many steps that you need to decide and write the details in your business plan. We'll go through step by step how to write a proper business plan. 11 o'clock, we'll have 5 minutes break, obviously. At 11 o'clock roughly, we'll start, or in the afternoon, 3 p.m., we'll start property development information. This is an amazing workshop. This information will blow you out so much that you will say, how come no one knows about this? And this is for mom and dads. Small development, one house or duplexes, and you will be wondering how come no one is talking about it. I'll show you how to acquire, how to develop, and how to get up to 20% rental income on a residential property. Then we have 12 p.m. for morning session, or 4 p.m. on afternoon session. We have product information about MRC products and services, and open for Q&A for anything. Any questions, any subjects, we will have 1 hour of Q&A, and you'll be able to discuss and ask specific questions, and I'll be able to answer all of them. And we will close our morning session at 1 p.m. to go for lunch, and we'll close our afternoon session about 5 o'clock if the Q&A doesn't continue longer. I hope you will attend this free information session, and it will be rich in content, and you will have abundance of knowledge, and you can ask your specific questions. I encourage you to attend these weekly sessions if you can. Thank you, and go through our Eventbrite registration and register your name. The other thing I need to add before I go is at the end of the sessions, we will give you a free ticket valued $250 for dinner party that is conducted by MRC every quarter. And it will be a dinner party with drinks and dinner and a party for about 200 people attending. Every 3 months we will do that, and attendees will get free ticket to attend. Thank you, and I hope I'll see you at the information session. Thank you.